Hello ka-math learners! Welcome again sa ating YouTube channel, Learn Math Beach. This is the part 7 out of 7 ng ating Grade 3 2006 MTOP Reviewer Elimination Rounds. Again, these are only the selected problems from the set reviewer. Problem number 31 na tayo kasi nagtapos tayo nung nakaraan sa problem number 30. The question, a certain number divided by 18 equals 21, remainder 7. What is the number? So ating solution, let x be the number. Step 1, gagawa muna tayo ng equation based on the problem. So sabi sa problem, a certain number or x divided by 18 equals 21. So guys, napansin nyo, naglagay tayo ng parenthesis. Bakit? Kasi yun muna yung uunahin nating isolve bago natin i-add yung remainder na 7. So yung remainder guys, plus yun, plus. So simplify natin yung equation, isolate x, step number 2. So yung x divided by 18, yung divided by 18, kapag nilipat sa kabila, magiging times o multiplication. So x equals 18 times 21, tapos naglagay tayo ng parenthesis plus 7. Next step, simplify natin. So simplify natin yung 18 times 21. So x equals 378 plus 7. So i-add natin, x equals 385. So the final answer is 385. Next problem please, problem number 32. Problem number 32, what is the sum of the first 6 odd numbers? So take note, an odd number is a whole number that cannot be divided evenly by 2. Ibig sabihin kung ang isang number ay nagtatapos sa 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, yun ay odd numbers. Kabaliktaran naman yung even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 nagtatapos. Okay, so what is the sum of the first 6 odd numbers? So ano ba yung first 6 odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at 11. So sabi sa problem, what is the sum? Ibig sabihin, i-add natin silang lahat. 36 ang ating final answer. Next problem please, problem number 33. Problem number 33, mother baked 96 cookies. She served 38 of them for snacks and gave 12 to a friend. How many cookies remained? So sa ating solution, step number 1, alamin muna natin kung ilan ba yung cookies na sinerve ni mother sa snacks. So para malaman yan, 96 times 3 over 8. So pwede nating makancel ang 96 and 8, divide both sides by 8. So 96 divided by 8 is 12, 8 divided by 8 is 1. So pwede na tayo mag-multiply. 12 times 3 equals 36 cookies. So yun yung cookies na sinerve ni mother sa snacks. Next step, step number 2, subtract 36 and 12 cookies from 96. Saan galing yung 12? Yun yung binigay niya sa friend niya. Okay, so 96 minus 36 minus 12 equals 48 cookies. Therefore, there are 48 cookies remain. Or simply, the final answer is 48 cookies. Next problem please, problem number 34. Problem number 34, Lisa bought 278 pesos worth of school supplies. If she got a change of 22 pesos, how much did she give to the cashier? So sa ating solution, pwedeng mag-working backwards kayo. Pwede nyo na agad i-add. Or pwede rin kayong maggawa ng equation based on the problem and simplify. So sa ating solution guys, let x be the original amount of money Lisa had. So yun yung binigay niya sa cashier. So x minus 278 equals 22. Bakit minus? Kasi hindi natin alam kung ilan yung binigay niya sa cashier. Pero ang worth ng kanyang babayaran ay 278 pesos. At meron pa siyang sukli na 22. Kaya x minus 278 equals 22. So simplify natin, yung minus 278 ilipat sa kabila, magiging plus 278. So x equals 22 plus 278, x equals 300. Therefore, Lisa gave 300 pesos to the cashier. So the final answer is 300 pesos. Don't forget the units, guys. Peso sign. Next problem please, last but not the least. Problem number 35. Luz had 84 stamps. She gave 1/3 of them to her sister and 1/2 of the remaining stamps to her brother. How many stamps had she left? So meron siyang binigay na 1/3 sa kanyang sister, 1/2 of the remaining stamps sa kanyang brother. So ang tinatanong, ilan ang natira? So the solution, step number 1, identify the number of stamps Luz gave to her sister. So 84 times 1/3. So guys, napansin niyo, pwede tayo mag-cancel. 84 and 3, divide both sides by 3. 84 divided by 3 is 28. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Pwede na tayo mag-multiply. 28 times 1 equals 28. So yun yung 28 stamps na binigay niya sa kanyang sister. How about step number 2? Step number 2, identify the number of stamps Luz gave to her brother. So sabi sa problem, 1/3 ng remaining stamps. Yun yung binigay niya sa kanyang brother. So kailangan muna natin i-minus. I-subtract. 84 minus 28 equals 56. So, yun yung natira. Kasi nagbigay na siya sa sister niya, 28 eh. Tapos, sabi doon, nagbigay pa siya ng 1/2 of the remaining stamps to her brother. So, 56 times 1/2. So, pwede tayo mag-cancel. 56 divided by 2 is 28. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Pwede tayo mag-multiply. 28 times 1 equals 28. So, guys, parehong 28 yung binigay niya sa sister niya at sa kanyang brother. So, step 3, find the total stamps she gave to her sister and brother and subtract it from 84 stamps. So, 28 plus 28 equals 56 stamps. Yun yung lahat ng binigay niya kay sister at sa kanyang brother. And then, isubtract natin. 84 minus 56 equals 28. Therefore, there are 28 stamps left. So, pareho. 28 din yung natira sa kanya. The final answer is 28 stamps. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na ito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math Page. Pakishare na rin sa iyong mga friends and classmates sa mga nahihirapan sa MTOP Reviewer or sa math lessons and ideas. Kung meron kang gustong topic natin sa susunod, pwede mong i-comment. Lagi mong tandaan ang ating outro message. Every problem, there is and there's always has a solution. So love lots, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye! Enjoy learning math. Salamat!